Trump's new $4.5 trillion big, beautiful bill, and it's shaking up real estate, especially here in Miami. One of the biggest headlines is the Reboot of Opportunity Zone. This program lets investors defer capital gains taxes when they reinvest into designated distressed areas. Now it's permanent, but here's what's new. States have to refresh their zone designations every 10 years. No more sneaky adjacent tracks, so it's focused on truly low-income areas. And investors get a tax break just for holding 10% in metro areas, but a massive 30% in rural zones. And this could pull billions back into neighborhoods across the country, and yes, Miami has several OZs that may qualify. Next up is the low-income housing tax credit. Developers love this tool because it helps finance affordable housing. The bill makes a 12% increase in credits permanent, and it lowers the financing threshold from 50% to 25%. That means more projects can qualify. Analysts expect that this alone could create or preserve over 1 million affordable rentals in the next decade. In Miami, where rents are sky high, this is a huge deal. And then there's SALT, the state and local tax deduction. Back in 2017, this was capped at $10,000, and a lot of buyers in high tax states felt the pain. This bill lifts that cap to $40,000 in 2025 with small annual bumps until 2029. That gives high-income owners a little more breathing room, especially in luxury markets. Think about New Yorkers and Californians relocating to Miami. This makes Florida even more attractive. Of course, not everything is sunshine. The bill cuts green energy credits, which could slow clean energy construction, and most of the tax benefits still lean heavily towards wealthier Americans. But from an investor standpoint, the tools for real estate just got a serious upgrade. So if you're thinking about investing, developing, or just buying in Miami, this bill could create fresh opportunities that you don't want to miss. Drop me a note and we'll talk. I'll help you make the most of it.